Hi, I am Maker. Belt sanders are great for different tasks. After buying and immediately returning a cheap, wobbly and shaky one for around 80 bucks, I decided to build one my own. You probably know what these are, orbital palm sanders, which come in different size and power rating. Since I have couple of them lying around, I decided to sacrifice one and to use as a powertrain for my belt sander. I used this 350 watt one. After unscrewing the sanding pad attachment, I get access to the rotating shaft. I 3D printed a shaft out of PETG and a roller out of TPU for better friction with the sanding belt. And at the end I have included a ball bearing socket. The belt looks like this. It's available in different width, total length, and also in different grit. Pay attention to the arrows inside while you install it, because it's crucial in order not to get something caught into the seam on top while it's spinning, or it may tear itself apart. The body of the grinder consists of literally few pieces of 19mm thick plywood, glued and screwed together. I had some self-made mosaic palisander veneer from a different project lying around, so I decided also to use it. Finally, after thorough sanding, a few coats of protective paint came on top. In order to dampen the vibrations, I used some felt pads on the bottom of the device. I joined the palm sander, aka the motor of the device, with the body using some normal screws. To my surprise, the first cold test revealed no vibrations whatsoever, even with the roller on. Bent flat aluminum profiles into desired shape, which are used as a holders for the ball bearings and the rollers. After final assembly, to my greatest surprise, the whole contraption worked from the first time. It was actually the first time when something worked from the first time. The whole project cost me around 10 euros, if not taking into account the palm sander itself. Is it a substitution to a commercial belt grinder? The clear answer is no. But for me it works better than the one that I bought and returned, and it was a great one-day fun to build. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this was inspiring, even if technically not much of a help.